What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Today's mukbang is going to be, this is my first time trying these, two times spicy hot noodles. I'm excited for this. That is Sydney in the background.
I
already took one bite.
Mom, I
dipped
my cucumber in the sauce. I didn't even have a noodle and my mouth is burning right now.
Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, let's dig in. Let's dig in.
I don't have the flakes, so I should be fine, right?
I mean, oh my goodness, I just licked my finger and it's hot.
It smells really good though.
Millie, where's our drink? Guys, it's raining today in Los Angeles. Millie, where's our drink? I want to show them what I'm
drinking milk.
My drink was next to yours.
Okay, I only had milk and my mouth is burning. I only had one noodle.
Oh my gosh, it's so hot.
I don't even like this. It doesn't even taste good.
It's burning.
Hot.
Oh my goodness.
It tastes good. It's so spicy. And I don't know if I can take this.
Can I get a cucumber?
Okay. No, I'm not gonna be able to eat this. Oh my goodness, this is
Fail. You gotta keep it going for the fam.
Are you being serious right now?
Okay, we're gonna need some more egg.
How does that honeybee lady
That
do
egg
this?
just goes it all down.
Yeah, the egg kind of balances.
Oh my gosh, I'm
Oh my
not ready to eat
goodness.
this.
How does? What's her name? Is it Honeybee? Oh no, I'm gonna need milk.
I have milk. It's not working.
Oh no, you guys.
It's not working with the milk.
My tongue feels like it's getting beat down.
I feel like someone cut my tongue. Like with a paper. Worse.
I don't want it to touch my lips.
Keep going.
It touched already over here.
Obi-Wan.
Millie, can you find my drink, please?
It's worse if it touches your tongue. Which is
Oh my
utterly
goodness.
I know.
This is horrible. Oh my goodness. I can't even talk to you guys. I was going to talk to you guys how I prepared it. But it's on the back.
Oh my gosh. No, I can't do this. Oh my gosh. Oh my God.
Everybody just left the room. Oh my goodness. It's so hot. Rub it on my mouth. All of this is getting watery. Okay. Okay. I picked this up from the Asian market.
Oh my gosh.
It's too hot.
You know when you drink water?
I'm burping flames. Ha!
The water doubles it. I'm not even kidding.
It makes it worse?
Yeah.
You need milk then.
The milk doesn't work.
This even hurts. This hurts.
The milk doesn't even work.
This is my first time trying this. Orange mango Arrowhead sparkling. We got this because my husband likes these. Ugh, and I don't like them.
Okay, I only have one noodle, so it's kind of wearing off already. So I'm ready to eat another one. I just need... Ah, it feels nice.
Are you drinking milk?
Mm-hmm.
Let me have some of your milk. I think your milk's gonna be better Taste this. I don't know why Daddy likes that.
Daddy likes the weirdest things. It kind of works.
Papa, I need some milk. Are you drinking milk?
Nope. Oh, that's so much better.
And that's
sorry.
sparkling. I don't know why you drank that.
Well, I wanted to try it. And I didn't think this was going to be this hot.
Yeah, so the seafood spicy wasn't this hot.
Sydney, can you give me a glass of
This
milk?
feels good.
This.
Can you give me a glass of milk, Sydney, please?
It tastes
Have
so
this.
good though. That's the sad part, is that this tastes so good.
No, what is this?
Apple juice.
Oh my goodness. Can you give me some milk, please? I gotta finish this video.
My mouth is so tamed.
Finish this video.
They said eat, stop. Wait a minute.
I'm on a roll. This is my second video that I'm filming today.
Order some things off of Amazon, Mom, for my video. And I wrote down all the things.
What video are you gonna do next?
Things that TikTok made me buy. Off of
That's a good
Amazon.
one. That's a good one. But I don't know if they're gonna deliver it because
I'm
the
excited.
city is shutting down.
I don't care. I'm gonna pay the next one.
I'm
We're
sorry.
gonna have stomach problems tonight.
I didn't even think about that.
Yeah, after someone ate the Carolina Reaper. No.
Oh my goodness. Honestly, I didn't think this was gonna be this hot, honestly. Is Sydney drinking my milk or is he bringing me milk?
He's probably drinking it out of the jug. Oh, I'm gonna need another one of those eggs. No, don't drink that. Sparkling makes everything worse.
Really?
Yes, soda. After eating hot Cheetos, you never drink soda.
Okay.
Ever.
Now I know.
Go, Mom. Here.
Give me an egg.
Thank you.
Give me the egg.
Okay.
No, here, take it.
Do you need an
I don't
egg,
think
Mom?
I can. No. An egg can't even help me. I'm sorry. I just. That is so weird.
If I finish all these noodles, can I be ungrounded?
That's so weird. Milk and noodles. But now I see like. It does calm it down. I'm sorry. I'm done. This is the shortest mukbang of life because. Are you guys gonna finish that? You wanna
can
switch
try
spots? My lips are burning.
My tongue feels like it's getting beat down.
I can't feel my mouth. I probably.
I was
just
trying to do this with the milk in my mouth, and it all came out. They care, Sydney,
Oh
because
my
they
gosh,
saw.
I'm out.
You want my milk?
Oh, I need that.
I think I'm done. My mouth just needs to cool down. Okay, I'm sorry, guys. This is the end of the video because
No one is gonna.
I'm sorry. This was very hard for me. I didn't think 2 times spicy really meant like burn your face off your body. Oh my gosh, I can't.
They taste really good, but
Oh my gosh.
They do.
like at first they tasted horrible. I was like, wow.
Just sitting here, my lips are like burning even more. Just sitting here.
Yeah, when we were running around, it felt better.
I thought I was okay.
You're not okay.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
I saw that milk commercial that said milk always beats spicy. It's not working.
Okay, I'm sorry. I can't eat anymore. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Join my YouTube family. I upload weekly.
Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna go put ice on my face. And I will see you guys in the next video.